Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to show you a really quick video on how to fix these aerators for your aquarium. Basically, this is the thing that puts the air bubbles in the tank. This one happens to have 2 outlets on it. It's been really loud lately. It's been going and I was trying to figure out why it was being that loud, so I took it apart and I just want to show you guys, for anybody else who's having this problem in their house, if they have any of these, this is how they work. Pretty much this thing right here is going to cause these 2 magnets to go in and out really fast, and that's what causes this to pump air in and out with these little rubber pieces. But now in the corners here, you see these, there's little rubber pieces in there as well. Mine happens to be kind of cracked up because this thing's getting old, but you see there's like a little rubber piece that goes in here, and this little rubber piece was sticking out of this piece of plastic. So what was happening is this metal was kind of hitting up against the plastic here and here, which is what was causing it to go whenever this thing was running in and out. I'll show you here real quick what it does when you turn it on, so you can get an idea of how these run. There you go. So it's nice and quiet now, because I moved these rubber pieces back into these little slots here. So that's all you really need to do. And if it's all gunked up, just clean it off with like a paper towel, because there's probably little pieces of rubber everywhere. If those are broken up to the point where you can't really salvage them, you might be able to get away with putting either like hot glue or something that's kind of rubbery, maybe even some electrical tape or something around this, and you'll be able to at least silence it a bit more from whatever noise it's making at the moment. Alright, check this out. So this is the aquarium pump from my tank, and whenever I plug it in, it's making a loud sound. I know exactly what it is and how to fix it, but watch if you plug up the holes. That's how loud it is. Alright, let me open this up so I can fix it and show you guys how this works. Easy peasy, just take off these 4 screws. I don't know how to point while looking at the camera screen. Yeah, see, it's that one. Should sound like that. This one's fine, but this one. Alright, I'm gonna need 2 hands to pull this off. This is open on the back, so you basically just slide this off. See how the rubber's all messed up here? So let me put something else on here and then we'll see what it sounds like. After taking this off, you can see it wasn't all the way around anything, and this is just like a little tooth. So I could probably just cut this off of a wire and then put it on there, and let's see if that works. Maybe I can put some tape around it. I don't know. I'll figure out a way to make it silent again. I have this wire and it looks like about the same exact size. Close enough. I'll just clip the little end off of that, but it's about the same, and that's silicone. See, they're about the same diameter on the inside as well. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, would you look at that? Nice and quiet again. Cool, that's about as quiet as it's gonna get. I guess that worked. Now let me put the lid on and we'll see how quiet it is. Lid back on. Alright, let's try that one more time. And then I'll put my finger in front of it to simulate the tubes being on. Look at that. Barely hear it. Now it's silent again. I'm sure the fish will be happy. Anyway, that was pretty easy. Figured I'd show you guys how to do it because this thing gets really annoying when it starts going all in my face. Alright, see you guys on the next one.